My favourite game's the Loop of Fury because it develops your listening skills and like your communication skills as well as remembering things, and it's fun as well.
On your desk there are little glass jars, right? And in your little glass jars there are little pieces of paper. Could you lift them out and pass them around so everybody's got at least one? Pass them around and everybody should have one. One table's got one less because I couldn't think of another question, but life goes on. Right, now everyone's got a little piece of paper. Now somebody's got number one. Right, so Luke's got number one. Now what happens is Luke reads out his question. Then somebody else in here has the answer to that question on their little card. Then you'd say your question and we go on and on and on and on and on. So listen out for your question and then it goes all the way back to Luke and then we stop the clock. So we'll try it now and we'll try it at the end and see if we can do it quicker at the end. Does that make sense? Yes? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go.
What is an uppy-downy wave?
Is this a transverse wave? What is the top of a transverse wave called?
It's a peak.
Good lad, go.
What is the bottom of a transverse wave called?
A trough. How do you remember these?
A mountain peak is at the top. A pig eats out of the trough. What is the distance from peak to peak called?
It is a wavelength. Where else can you measure the wavelength?
From trough to trough.
If you've got like a class of, say, 25 and you give them 2 questions each, there's 50 questions on everything you've done in the topic. And it's a bit of excitement as well. Time it. Come on, come on, come on. Get it quicker, get it quicker.
Go, go.
And then at the end of the lesson, swap cards and hopefully we can do it a little bit quicker.
It'll be very quiet. What kind of sound is a wave with a small wavelength?
It has a high pitch. What kind of sound is a wave with a long wavelength? It will be long.
Yes! 3:03. Goodness me, 3 seconds. I was getting a bit hairy in the end there with 3 seconds. Right, pop them back in the jars, please.